Trubor Nagashlam Jong Nongshong Hima.
Deputy Commissioner ka East Khas Hills District Abhilash Baranwal IAS. Ulapan bana ka Bynta ki patba Nongshong Shnong ka Nongbah Shillong. Laki day na kanu ka jad benriu, laki day ki try Shnong, laki bashuan bala syakathan, ka board district ka Shim Khia na ka Bynta ka sukasan. Habakren chikla apathay ka board ha kasi palay ka arpo trik banay, nailar arhaja benriu, Ulaong baka board district kadang persyang ban penklanya kajing apahara hakapor menmir knang bakanumdon kanu kajing ja da ka bakenturu ye kipat ba bakinis no aktilang ban ai kajing trailang bat ki bor bahalor na kabenta kajing shngan shu ulaong bakani kajing ya radi ka KSU kadai ka balayo jing menjurhi na ki bor bahalor Henry ha kajing shanya ban penlong kajing ya rali ka bajai UDC ulaong bakani kajing shanya kaladu no Kabawan ra penban ya kajing sosi, bad kajing penjak burom ya kajela. UDC ulapan benaru bagi bor pulit ke East Khas Hills kidang pet benia ban lap ya ki bedon kti ha kani ka kamrunar.
To all the residents of Shillong, be it indigenous community, be it non-travelers, be it tourists, be it those who have just come here for working and earning their livelihood. Do not indulge in rumor mongering, that is one. Secondly, we are committed to their safety and security. Simultaneously, they must cooperate with the law enforcement agencies. We have brought adequate security personnel so as to ensure that further such incidents do not occur, and we are in process of increasing the night patrolling and simultaneously ensuring that there is an atmosphere of security and safety within the city. And we want to work hand in hand with the community. I have asked all my sector magistrates that they must reach out to the headmen. In fact, my Sadar sector magistrate has already had this meeting with the localities, with Sadar OC. Similarly, every magistrate as of now is currently dealing with the community, trying to assuage their fears, trying to provide them that sense of safety and security which is very, very essential for a peaceful living. So I appreciate the question because I understand that anyone who is in Shillong as of now, I personally believe that there are two things that they are undergoing. One is a sort of regret, because if you see in social media, so many Meghalayans are expressing, they are being apologetic, they are being slightly embarrassed also about what has happened yesterday. Simultaneously, there is a certain sense of fear as well. So we want to work with them. We want to assure them that we are committed to their safety and security. In yesterday's incident, we were led to believe that the rally is going to be peaceful, even though we had put conditions, even though we had security deployment, but somehow that trust was not really, I'll say that to some extent was broken. But then we are committed to their safety and security, and we are ready to work hand in hand with them, and simultaneously we have adequate security personnel to ensure the same. They must not indulge in rumor mongering, and in case there is any stray incident which is reported across the city, please do reach out to us, please do reach out to police. We will be responding swiftly to that. Police already is examining the evidence. There were a lot of people who were involved in vandalism, arson, assault, and police is trying to identify them, and there will be. So basically it's a part of investigation. As part of investigation, whoever they find have been involved in these kind of activities, they are going to try and arrest them.